Before we talk about traveling, training, and certification of yoga teacher, I just want to let you know that I use a really cool video service when I make videos. You see, the video I created was done using an awesome tool that takes a script and automatically converts it into a video. You can take a piece of writing and turn it into a video with music and visuals. You see, thanks to that, you can run a YouTube channel yourself and use this tool to make videos. Then you can recommend this video system to other people and earn money by referring people to it, because it has an affiliate program. But this will only bring in a small amount of money, and if you would like to learn more about my major strategy for making $1,000 days in my business, please stick around for the end of this video. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm a YouTube influencer from Sweden. I'm here to inspire people to do what I do to make money online. I will see you shortly after the video, since Heidi will now take over. It's your turn, Heidi.
Thank you, Anders. Working as a traveling yoga teacher is a thing if you're a yoga instructor or want to be one. You can substitute in studios or organize your own yoga retreats and workshops all around the world. Choices for yoga teacher training and certification. The most well-liked approaches to yoga teacher training are described below. Nowadays, there are so many possibilities for obtaining a yoga teaching credential that it can be wise to first have a general understanding of yoga teacher training programs. Depending on the breadth of the material covered, on-site yoga teacher training sessions can span anywhere from 1 month to 2 years and are typically offered in yoga studios. These yoga training sessions can take place every weekend or over several weeks. It is recommended to look for a yoga teacher training program that meets on weekends or in the evenings if you have a regular job. If you tell your current employment the truth, that you want to go to yoga teacher training, it will be difficult to explain your absence. At a yoga retreat or ashram, training for yoga teachers typically involves total immersion without any of life's regular distractions. There may be accommodations for the staff and intern yoga teachers. This is an excellent way to learn how to become a yoga instructor if you don't have any obligations to your family or job. Being that many ashrams operate like universities, it's an excellent environment for learning for yoga teacher training. Luxury travel. More people are enrolling in yoga teacher training than most of us would have thought. In an exotic locale, you would attend an intense yoga teacher training program. The study of yoga is being done in its entirety here, but with all the creature comforts. This yoga teacher training program might be right for you if you have the money to do so. Yoga students with prior experience may benefit from yoga teacher correspondence courses. Yoga teachers must have a solid base of knowledge and prior experience to pursue independent studies. It also helps if you practice yoga with a group of like-minded individuals or a local yoga instructor. Just make sure the correspondence course you select for becoming a yoga instructor has a thorough syllabus. For yoga teacher interns who need to fulfill duties at home or at work, this is an excellent choice. Weekend yoga teacher training intensives need to meet frequently and have a little bit more homework. Do not delude yourself into believing that you can learn all you need to know to become a skilled yoga instructor in just one weekend. Simply put, it does not occur that rapidly. Yoga research is an ongoing, never-ending adventure. Being a lifelong student is a must for teaching yoga. Whatever approach you take to reach your objectives as a yoga teacher, keep in mind that continuing education is a crucial part of developing into a successful yoga teacher. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Thank you, Heidi. I appreciate you sharing that with us. If you want to know how to create videos like this, then click the link in the comment section. Now, if you really want to change your financial situation with simple videos like this one, I want to tell you about the system I'm using. This system has a proper training to become successful online. It will help you think like a pro and build your inner voice, so you can start teaching people how to start their own online businesses. If you are interested, then do check it out in the description under this video. You will see a link that will take you to my landing page. I have a red button on that page that will take you to the system that I'm using. I also have a free video training that you can sign up to, but click the red button if you want to skip that. Anyway, after the red button, you can sign up to find out more about this great program, which helps ordinary folks make money online. So if you learned something of value, then why not give this video a like? This will help my YouTube channel grow. Also, if you want more videos like this one, then why not smash the subscribe button and click the bell notification to get notified when I upload a new video. Anyways, take care, stay awesome, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.